What is Bonnie? Happy April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. Oh my gosh, look what I got done today. I am so happy that I was able to do a lot more cleaning in my filming room. This is huge. Oh my gosh. I'm going to review Sweet Tea and Lemonade in a minute because that was the fragrance that I was using all morning while I was cleaning. Um, it's a little bit hard to see because it's not like completely done, but I'm going to kind of do a little tour here. So this is the dresser that I keep all of my jewelry in for Avon. I've got my Avon over here. There's like a window here. It's still not perfect, but I've got stuff looking a lot better. And then on this side, look at all of the Bath & Body Works fragrance mist neatly lined up, mind you. And then I finally was able to display my silver play button that I got from YouTube for reaching 100,000. I've been wanting to put that up. I've never done it. And then there's the entrance to my filming room. This kind of needs cleaned a little bit. But then over here, we have the closet with all of the costumes Lenny and I wear. And I don't know if I can go a little bit farther and show you. My makeup table is now over here. So I kind of like that setup because it just makes it a little bit easier. And then I can kind of adjust my camera a little bit depending on who's going to be in here with me. Like, is Lenny going to be in here? Is my mom going to be in here? It makes it a lot easier for my mom to do videos with me because it's a wider space. Lenny and I were like squished back here so bad. So I'm actually really happy. I think I like it a little bit like that. That way this is on display. Oh my gosh. So I'm tired. I'm really tired. Look what else I found. I found a couple of things. I found my banana bacon swirl for April Fool's Day, fresh banana, crispy bacon, and whipped cream. The funny thing is, Dirty Soul Soap Company actually made me this fragrance. I have not found that yet. But I found that. And then look what else I found. I found this under my desk back here, watermelon lemonade. Oh, that smells so good. And it goes so well with sweet tea and lemonade. So this is one of the new candles for spring at Bath & Body Works. Now, the candles today are buy one, get one free, and they're $24.95. So I'm going to do the math on that. I'm going to talk about the candle sale. Let's see here. $24.95 divided by 2 brings you down to $12.47 minus 25%. $9.35. That's better than Candle Day. So that's a really good sale if you have that 25% off coupon. I'm probably going to head into Bath & Body Works either tomorrow, Friday, sometime this weekend. The sale ends on Saturday. So if you're looking for a really nice spring candle, I highly recommend Sweet Tea and Lemonade. It is brewed sweet tea, fresh squeezed lemons, and sugar crystals. Now, I drink McDonald's unsweet tea, but I like the smell of the sweet tea. You can really smell the brewed black tea in this. It smells incredible. There's a little bit of sugar and there's a lot of lemon. Fresh squeezed lemon, I gotta say. Oh my gosh, I had this on my warmer all morning and it really brightened this room up. It felt so springy, and let me tell you, the weather right now is dismal. It's cloudy, it's cold, it's rainy. So this is exactly what I needed. It's a good rainy day candle too, because it's like you're brewing tea, and it was really nice on the warmer with the lemon in there and the sugar. Oh my gosh, it was an absolute dream. So throw on that was pretty high. I would say about a 9.4. Filled the entire room. What's nice is, I don't know if I can show you guys the other side of the room here without making a mess. Okay, we're going to try. I'm going to show you a little bit of the other side of the room. So anyway, this is not a huge room. So there's the window. There's Charlie. And then if I go over here, there is actually a chair. There's the printer. And if you keep going on the other side, I have a rack. and that's where we keep our fabrics. So I kind of gave you a whole room tour, actually, which was nice. I actually was able to do a panoramic room tour of this. I'm so excited. So anyway, whew, that's what's been happening today. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good about the setup. I feel more organized. I don't feel like stuff is all over the place, which is always a good thing. So anyway, always a good thing to get nice and organized heading into Easter weekend. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Let me know what you think of sweet tea and lemonade, is what he would say. Don't forget to vote for March Madness. Ice Dragon Fruit Tea, Neapolitan Ice Cream. The poll is in the community tab, so go ahead and vote. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.